Hey guys, we just wrapped up this 2025 Ford Expedition Tremor Edition with the new package that we're offering on our website at the link below. This features the Rough Country 2-inch leveling kit. It also has a set of 1.5-inch wheel spacers for the factory wheels and 35 by 12.5 Toyo all-terrain tires. This looks great. It looks beefy. It looks like a Tremor should. It's a great option for a daily driver that wants a more aggressive look without messing with the ride too much. We didn't have to do any cutting. We did have to pull the front fender liner forward just a bit to make sure it's not rubbing. If you want this package for your vehicle, check it out on our website below. What I like about it, it's not gonna mess with any of the adaptive cruise control or lane departure systems. It fits without any intense fender modifications, and it rides great. You're still using the factory suspension. We're just giving it a little bit of lift with that leveling kit. It's 100% bolt-on, and we do offer this package for non-Tremor editions. You can fit a 33-inch tire, or if you're looking to fit 35s, we've got a solution for you as well.